Right, I'm going to be sowing Larkspur, it's called. It's related to delphiniums. Giant mixed, well, giant imperial mixed. 50 pence, you get 600 seeds. It's supposed to be really good for wildlife. And because I've got a cottage garden, these really do mix in well. But as with the previous plants, these are supposed to be sown directly into the beds or borders where they're going to flower. So to get round that, I'm using peat pellets. All you need to do is, they're a lot bigger these, so a lot easier to do is just get 2 seeds per peat pellet. And then once you've done this, cover them with half a centimetre of soil. Really looking forward to these. I've never grown these before, so a bit of a learning experience. There you go. You can also sow these in the autumn to flower the following year. Really good for butterflies, bees. Right. You get the picture. Once you've done that, take your pen. This is what I tend to do. Take my pen and just press them down so they're covered. They've already been well watered, but if you want to just give them a little bit extra moisture once you've done that, I just use a spray. Just wet the top. Right. Once you've done all this, you want to be placed in a nice warm windowsill, and they should flower within a few weeks. Well, not flower, should grow within a few weeks. Once they start growing, place them outside, preferably when the frost has stopped, wherever they're going to flower. So that's Larkspur Giant Imperial Mix 2018. If you've got any more questions, anything at all, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much. Bye.